Hi friends, today second chapter addition and subtraction part 2. This is also useful for 4th and 5th standard also. Okay, today what is the topic? Order properties of addition of numbers. What is the topic? Properties of addition of numbers. Addition properties of given numbers. Okay, first property is called order property of addition. First property is order property of addition. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? Order property of addition means the sum of two numbers does not change. Suppose the sum of two numbers does not change, and I'll explain this one also. When the order of the addend is changed. What is the meaning of this? Today topic is properties of addition of numbers. Okay, order property of addition. This is the first property, order property of addition. What is the meaning of this? The sum of two numbers does not change when the order of the addends is changed. Suppose the sum, but suppose I am taking, for example, 3 plus 4. The sum, what we will get sum? 7 here. What is the sum of two numbers? 7. Again I am taking 4 plus 3. What is the sum? Here also 7, here also 7. But what happened? The sum of two numbers does not change when the order of addends is changed. Addends means 3 and 4 here. What happened? Here first one is 3 plus 4 we wrote. See, in 3 place it is 4. Here 4 places it is 3. See, it is exchanged like this. Yeah, okay, places exchange. Okay, the sum of two numbers does not change when the order of the addends is changed. So this is the order property of addition. One more example. If suppose 200 plus 120. If I am taking this one, how much? 320. So places are changing. Second number is coming first. First number is coming second. See, what is the meaning of this? 120 plus 200 equal to 320. Same number will come like this. This is the property of addition property. Order property of addition means the sum of two numbers does not change. Means the sum of two numbers. This is coming 320. 320 is not changing. Here see, observe, here also 320, here also 320. But places are interchanging because first number is coming to second place, second number is coming to first place. So the sum of two numbers does not change when the order of the addend is changed. Here addends, what is that? 200 or 120 are called addends. A-D-E-N-D-S, addends. 320 is the called sum of given numbers. Now clear, right? What is the property of order property of addition? The sum of two numbers does not change when the order of the addends is changed. I am taking one more example. Okay. Suppose I am taking 4-digit number. What we will get? 4234 plus 2000. I am taking this one. See, in this what we will get? 6234 we will get. Again I am interchanging. Here the places are interchanging. Okay, 434. Okay, 6234. Please observe what is the conclusion. So 4234 plus 2000 equal to 1000 plus 4234. This is that. Suppose if you are taking this is A, this number name is A, this number name is B. Suppose. So what we will get? A plus B equal B plus A, like that. This is the order property of addition. Okay. This is for 4-digit number. I am taking one more example for 5-digit number. Okay. Different number I am taking. 3, 4, 9, 6, 8 plus 2, 5, 3, 7, 7. Okay. So I am doing adding here. First adding the numbers in column wise. 2, 5, 3, 7, 7. Okay. So what will get? 7. 1 is carry over here. 15. See here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Here also if you want you can write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Both are in, both number has 5 digits only. Okay. 8 plus 7, 15. 1 is in tens place. 1 is carry over in tens place. So 7 plus 7, 14. Okay. 1 is carry over here. So 9 plus 1, 13. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 means 0 is in 1000 place, 1 is in 10,000 place. Okay, 1, 3, 6. So what is the answer? 6, 0, 3, 4, 5. Again, interchanging the places. Okay. Now the places are interchanged. Okay, 2, 5, 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 4, 9, 6, 8. What I did here? The places are interchanged. What we will get? Again, check it out here. See. Okay. 3, 4, 9, 6, 8. Okay. 2, first this one, right? 2, 5, 3, 7, 7. 3, 4, 9, 6, 8. Okay. Chalo. What we will get? 7 plus 8, 15. 1. 7 plus 7, 14. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. 1 is carry over in 1000 place. 5 plus 5, 10. 3 plus 3, 6. What will give? 6, 0, 3, 4, 5. Please observe this answer, this sum. Both numbers. So, what is the conclusion? 3, 4, 9, 6, 8 plus 2, 5, 3, 7, 7 equal 2, 5, 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 4, 9, 6, 8. If they are like this. This is the first property of addition. Order. What is the name? Property name is order property of addition. If they are asking, suppose they are asking 220 plus 300 equal to dash plus 220. What you write here? See, order property of addition. By using order property of addition, so see, 220 plus 300 equal to 300 plus 220. Which property you are using? By using order property of addition, like this. They are asking this type of questions. Order property of addition. Now clear, right, everyone? Then next we will go to next topic. Second, we will go to next property. What is the property of? What is the second property? Explain. Grouping property of addition. Grouping property of addition. What is this? What is the grouping property? The sum of 3 or more numbers does not change. What is this? The sum of 3 or more numbers does not change. Even when their grouping is changed. What is the meaning of this? This is called grouping property of addition. What is the grouping property of addition? Means the sum of 3 or more numbers does not change. Okay, but even when their grouping is changed. What is it? For example, suppose I am taking 2, 3, 4. I am doing sum of these 3 numbers. 2 plus 3 like this plus 4. What we will get answer? 2 plus 3 means 5 plus 4 equal to 9. First you should do this operation. Whatever in this is in these 2 numbers are in brackets, right? First add these 2 numbers. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 4. First you should do this operation. After that you can add this number to this result to this number. Okay, 2 plus 2 can write as this. After that first you can finish bracket. Okay, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 means 7. 2 plus 7 equal 9. So what we observe, the sum of 3 or more numbers does not change. See, observe, if I am taking 3 here, I am doing sum here. What is the answer? Here also 9, here also 9. But answer should not change. But even when their grouping is changed, first I am taking 2 plus 3 adding here. I put in brackets here. So after that, whatever I got the sum, after that I got the sum is this sum is 5. Then I'm adding to 4 also. I added to 4 also. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Then again what we will do? Then first we should do the operation in the bracket. First we finish this operation. After that only you can add this sum to this one. So 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So now clear, right? So next one. Again I am taking one more example. For this one, what is this grouping property of addition? Means the sum of 3 or more numbers does not change even when their grouping is changed. So what we do first, what we will do first, 2 and 3 I kept in bracket. First here operation is plus. What I am doing first, I did this operation. After that this I added the answer to this another number. Okay, 5 plus 4 equal 9. Then after that I am changing the numbers here. 2 plus, I am not changing the numbers, I am changing the grouping. First this one here is 2 plus 3 is one group. Here what happened here? In this second 3 plus 4 is one group. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal 2 plus 7 equal 9. I am taking one more example. Okay. Next, I am taking 320 plus 100. 320, 100, 20 I am taking. These 3 numbers I am taking. First what I am doing? First I am adding these 2 numbers. 320 plus 100. Put in bracket, then plus 20. Okay. What we will again? What is that? 320 plus 100, 420. First what I am telling? First we should do the operation in the bracket, within the bracket. After that only you can add to next number. 420 plus 20 equal to 440. Then what we will get next? Now what I am doing here? 320 plus 100 plus 20. Okay. Here first number as it is you can write here. First you add these 2 numbers. 100 plus 20 equal 120. Answer is 420. What will you observe here? The sum of the sum of 3 or more numbers does not change. Sum is not changed here. See, sum should not change. But even their grouping is changed. Now clear, right? Numbers are not changing, but grouping is changing. Suppose this one is A. What I am taking? This one is A. This one is B. I am giving some names. A, B, C I am taking. What is the formula? A plus, what is this? A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. This is the grouping property of addition. Okay. So I am taking one more example. Suppose I am taking 27566 plus 36847. Okay, then 19864. See, observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything is 5-digit number. So if you observe ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay, so what I am doing here, A plus B, 2566 plus 36847. First two numbers I kept in bracket. Okay, first this is the first number, this is the second number. First I added these two numbers. After that, this one, third number, 19864. Okay, what is the answer? Then what is the property? 27566. Then put in, I started the bracket here, 36847 plus 19864. Put the answer here. Okay, what we will get here? First, what I am telling, arrange the column wise. What is this here? 27566 36847. This is the first one. I am taking this one. Okay. Okay, this one I kept here. So within bracket, what we have here? First 27566 36847. I am adding here. 7 plus 6, 13. So 1 is carry over, 11. 8 plus 5, 13, 14. 7 plus 7, 14. 3 plus 3, 6. What is the answer? 64413. Okay. What we will get here? 1 second. For this answer, what we will get? This one, these two numbers. 64413 plus 19864. What will this is sum of? Again, I have to add this one, 19864. What we will get? 4 plus 3, 7. 7, 12. So here I am writing. Okay. 8 plus 4, 12. 9 plus 1, 14. 8. What we will get? 84277. Okay. This is the first one. Then, so 27566 plus 36847 plus 19864. What I did here? First number I wrote like that only. Then second and third number I wrote within the brackets. Okay. First here what I am doing, first I did this operation. First we should do the operation in the brackets, right? So first I am doing this one. What is the first number? 36847 19864. What will we get? 7 plus 4, 11. 10, 11. Again 8, 8, 16, 17. 1 carry over, 7. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 3, 4, 5. Okay. What will get? 27566 plus 56711. Again, I'm getting this sum. 56711. Again, I have to add 27566. 27566. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, if you want, you are getting confusing, right? I'm taking again. Okay. Clear. What I am getting number? 56711 27566. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, 1 second. Here I am writing. Okay. See, 5. 1 second. 56711 here, this number. 27566. What will it be? 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So 2 is in, 1 is in carry over. 7 plus 4, 14. 1 is carry over. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, what we will get here? 8, 4. What we got here? Wow, 8, 4, 2, 7, 7. What is the answer? Please observe this one. This is the second one. Please observe this one. 8, 4, 2, 7, 7, 8, 4, 2, 7, 7. Both answers are same, but grouping is different. Here, first two numbers has one group. Here, last two numbers has one group. Okay. See, this is a called grouping property of addition. What we conclude, what we will get here now clearly. What we will get here? 2. Okay. 1 second. What are the conclusion? Finally, what we will get here? Conclusion. This is the rough work, right? So I am erasing everything. So what is the conclusion here? Conclusion ain't. What is this? Conclusion. What? 2, 7, 5, 6 plus 3, 6, 8, 4, 7 plus 1, 9, 8, 6, 4 equal 2, 7, 5, 6 plus 3, 6, 8, 4, 7 plus 1, 9, 8, 6, 4. Now clear, right? If you want again, I will write here. Okay, grouping property of addition. Finally, what is if I am taking what will properties of addition? What is this? Properties of addition. What we learn? Grouping property means what is this? If 2, 3, 4. If I am taking this one, 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is the second property. This is called grouping property of addition. Okay. Then I am going to next property. What is the property? Third one. Additive properties of 0. What is the property? Additive property of 0. What is the meaning of this? Additive property of 0. What is this meaning? The sum of a number and 0 is the number itself. The sum of a number and 0 is the number. Same number. Means the sum of a number and 0. The sum of a number and 0 is the number itself. What is the meaning of this? Suppose I am taking 2. If the sum of 2 plus one number is 2, another number is 0. If I am adding 2 plus 0, what we will get? Answer 2. Same. 0 plus 2. If I am taking 0 here plus 2, reverse. Okay, I am interchanging the places. Okay, 0 plus 2 equal 2. This is the additive property of 0. What is the meaning? If you add any number with 0, same number will come. What is this? If you take two numbers, if you add any number with 0, same number will come. If you add any number with 0, same number will come. Suppose 3, 4, 3 plus 0 equal to 3. See what will, if you add any number, means if you add a number with 0 equal to, same number will come. Suppose 0 plus 3, 4, 3. Here also like that. If I am changing the places also, interchanging the places also, same number will come. So this is the third property of 0. What is the meaning of this? If you add any number with 0, same number means the same number will come. This is the additive property of 0. Okay. What we learned today? First one is order property of addition. Next, grouping property of addition. Third one is additive property of 0. First one is First in the order property of addition means A plus B means any two numbers if you add same numbers like this. Second, grouping property means A plus B plus C. A is one number, B is another number, C is another number. Okay, like this. So I am taking like this, A plus B plus C. Third one is A plus 0 equal 0 plus A equal A. Now clear, right? If you want, again I mean example 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. A is in 2. A equal to 2 here. A value is 2. B value is 3. So 2 plus 3 equal 3 plus 2. Second, if I am taking 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6 equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay. This one what is that we will get? 2 plus 0 equal to 0 plus 2. What is this meaning? Equal, same value will come. What is the meaning of this? A value is 2 here. You can 2 number. If you add any number to 0, same value will come. Now clear, right? Today class is property of addition of numbers. They are asking definitely like this type of questions. Okay. For example, if they are asking 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 plus 0 equal dash. Which property you are using here? So what is the answer here? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. By using additive property of 0. What is this? By using additive property of 0. Suppose if I am taking 3, 2, 1 plus 400 equal dash plus 3, 2, 1. If they are asking like this, what is this? 400 by using order property. What is this? By using order property. Third one, 300 plus 400 plus 200 equal to 300 plus dash plus 200. What is this here? Your answer is 400. Because here which number is not there? First number is 300 is there. Second number what is this? 400. Third number is there. They gave already 200. Last they are not giving this number. So 400. So this is by using which property this one? By using grouping. Grouping property of addition. Now clear, right? If you have any doubt, please give comment. Okay, these are all property of addition of numbers. So okay, thank you, and if you like, please subscribe and share. Okay, and please send to other kids also. It will help to kids also, if it will useful. Okay, thank you.